How to fix an email address associated with another user issue. If you experience this while trying to add a user to a system, or you got an email or some kind of notification from a customer who had issue with creating an account, this could be the issue. So the system has a limitation of one email address across all resellers. And with that, we cannot create that user if he or she already exists. There are some permission limitations in there for reseller admins. This is due to security. The simple solution, if you confront something similar to this problem, is to proceed with changing the existing user. So here I have on the edit user page an email address of a current reseller, and I want to say make him a customer instead. The best path is to update the email address, type in old here. If you want to disable him from the system, you can say enabled equals no, and you can also set the role type if you need to. You can lock in that setting by tapping the update button in the corner and then proceed with creating the new user. Note on creating the new user won't have any of the shipping accounts associated with him. So if you have a similar issue with the shipping account, same process. You can update the shipping account old on the old system and then create it on the new customer. That's one fix. And the other fix is you could submit a ticket to get that shipping account moved to the new customer, and you can do that through reseller support. Couple related support articles to this. I had one up earlier, how to fix the email address associated with another user support article. The other one relates to disabling a user account if you do need to do that as part of your workflow. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.